No.
You're going on Facebook.
No, he recorded me.
Did you record her?
Can you just
Yeah, I recorded
go?
her.
Are you recording me too?
No, I'm texting.
No, you're not. Why the hell are you holding your phone?
Alright, go for it.
No, don't. I don't want you guys recording me with that.
Why? It's normal.
I don't sound that good.
Alright, then you just send it to me.
Because what if I sound terrible?
Then
Well, then I
you're
won't
gonna
send
sound
it.
terrible on Facebook. I don't know. I just bet.
Alright, fine. Oh my god, there's that guy Tyler. Alright, here we go.
Just close your eyes and say.
That doesn't work.
Hold on. Okay. Hold on and sit tight. Are you ready for a crazy ride? You're on your own. It ain't right. Something's gonna give tonight. There you go.
Oh my god, that's awesome. Keep going, keep going.
I'm gonna sing for 3 months, 3 minutes or something.
No.
Alright, say bye.
She sings good.